Oh crap, I gotta put my gloves on. Hey guys, what's going on? It's me back in another video, and look at this snow. Woo! Alright, anyway, so what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be shoveling. And guess what? This is like my third time shoveling, so yeah, it's a pretty big snowstorm. It looks amazing in the Christmas lights, doesn't it, guys? Yeah. Alright, so here we go. What do you think? The heck? Alright, here we go. I also did a video about like a couple weeks ago where we got a bunch of snow like on the deck and everywhere on the grass. But it wasn't that much snow. I mean, it was covering the grass but not covering the cement. Now it's covering the cement. Here we go.